believe how much this massive 3+1 bedroom going for. It's totally a steal. Just minute to Canberra MRT, Bukit Canberra Sport Park, and right beside Sembawang Shopping Centre. Step in from the foyer, this corner unit you get full height window and cross ventilation. At 1130 square feet with 2.9 high ceiling, this spacious 3+1 bedroom feels huge. The living area super wide, flexible layout to fit your style. And check this out, a pool view right from your unit. The kitchen fully enclosed with dry and wet kitchen and a helper room next to the bathroom. Come, let me show you the master bedroom. Master bedroom fit a king-size bed, full height carpentry, and give off total resort feel. Plus, step out onto your extended balcony with zip trap for privacy. Both bathrooms come with big window for ventilation. Common room fit queen bed built-in include, and yes, all rooms enjoy the same gorgeous view with floor to ceiling window. So, will you stay in this stunning 3+1 bedroom at the Nautical? At this price, it's seriously a steal. Give me a call, Emily Lane, 900-90232 from OrangeTee AAG.